Hey, welcome to my channel. My name's Eric. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you the if statement in Excel. Now you can take your Excel skills to the next level. Let's get started. All right, so now I want to know how many teams have more than 70 points. So that's easy. I can do equals if. You can either double click this or hit tab and then select your cell, which is B2, greater than or equal to 70. Hit comma. And the next argument is the value if it's true. If it's true, then I want to display yes. And then comma, and if it's false, I want to say no. And then close your bracket, hit enter, and there you go. That's equal or greater than 70. Now if you double click that to downfill, you'll notice that this is correct. These ones are no because they're less than 70. All right, so let's take this one step further and add a nested if condition here. So let's highlight yes, and we'll start another if condition. So the first condition is if B2, if games played is equal or greater than 70 games played, then I want to know points. If this is equal to greater than 95 points, then I want to say games played and points are good. Otherwise, I'm going to say GP good and not enough points. Close off your bracket and then hit enter. There we go. Games played and points are good. Let's double check. If it's equal or greater than 70, yes. Points earned more than 95, that's good. All right, so let's downfill this. And there you have it. All right, so with the nested formulas, you can also use sum if, count if, or any other formulas if you're choosing. You can also have more than one nested formula inside here. You can have multiple, up as many as you want. The idea is still the same. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more episodes. See you next time.